How to fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, launch a TikTok. Get logged into your account and then tap onto your profile on your bottom right hand side. As you do so, make sure your TikTok is not age restricted. For instance, make sure that you are 18 years or above when you are creating TikTok account. Tap on three bar icon here. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll below, tap on report a problem. Wait for this to load, then tap on account and profile. Select profile page. Then from here, tap other. Tab need more help. And likewise, simply type in your problem that even though you are more than 18, it is still showing that you are not eligible for the For You feed. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt in order to solve your problem. That is all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching, and if it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.